Beautiful flowers in a moment is what this is all about. I know we're busy, so what I have done is I put some selections and collections and colours together. All you have to do when you get them home is to lay them out on your placement surface, get a vase, any vase, and then just create floral magic. It's really easy. Here is my vase, and I've got 3 pieces of beautiful hydrangea leaf. Now I've just put those in with equal distance between all of my placements. Now I've got this lovely cupped pink rose. I'm just going to put that in amongst the foliage. It can go whichever way it wants. Now this I'm just calling it just garden roses because sometimes that's all a room needs. Now with these apricot roses, I'll put one into that side and one over to that side. With these yellow and like, look at that lovely little bit of pink around there. It just looks like it got too close to love and it's rubbed off on the petals. Beautiful. That can go into there, and then I'll bring the other one over to that side. Now I've got these red ones. Let's bring another one into the middle, one there, and then one over to that side. With the white, I'm going to put one into there and one to the other side. Now when these flowers arrive, they do have little tags on them. Take the tag off. It's just an identification marker. With these, oh, look at that big, beautiful, blousy rose. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, so sweet. So with that, I'm just going to bring one in over to here, and the other one I'll bring over to there. If you want to make it a little bit lower, you can. And then with these lovely little spray roses, I'm just going to tuck one into there, and it goes nicely with that rose over there. And then I'll bring this one over to there. Look at that. How easy was that? If that's too tall, you can just put that down a wee bit. Just whatever way you want to put them is how they should go. And don't forget that nothing in nature is perfect. So just let them be falling in the place that they want to settle.